6, welcome back, Mrs. Powell here. Now for today's art activity we're going to be looking at the work of Ed Ruscha. Now Ed Ruscha is a pop artist and he became famous for creating these beautiful tonal drawings. He called it ribbon writing, and it's an excellent way to explore tone. So what you'll need first of all is a piece of white paper and a pair of scissors, and all you're going to do is cut lengthways a strip of white paper. Then just using a pencil, because you want to make it curl, you're just going to curl it on a pencil so you get a nice curl like that, and then you're going to place it onto a piece of white paper to make your observational drawing. So let me show you how it's done. You're just going to arrange your paper curl quite simply on the white sheet of paper, and even without a strong shadow you can really tell the lights and the darks. Particularly, I know this is a white bit of paper, but I want you to notice how dark it is compared to some of the paper curl. So really look carefully at those lights and darks. So once you've got that in place, you're ready to make an observational drawing. Now, the key to this observational drawing is to really press lightly, hardly press on at all actually, to get the shape of your paper curl. So you're just pressing on lightly to get the shape of it. You're not worrying about adding tone yet. Okay, so you can see how lightly, I hope you can actually see it on the camera, it's so light. You're just going to get that arrangement sorted. Don't worry if you have to erase anything or just draw over it. Okay. Make that a bit longer because that's not going to work. Yeah, okay. And that curve needs to, so I know that needs to come up here a little bit, and check those angles. So that looks pretty accurate in terms of all the lines adding up correctly. Okay. Now once you've got that simple line drawing, you are ready to add tone. And I must stress that you've got to think about the background as well. The background will make your paper curl really appear 3D. So let's start to add tone. You can speed this up now. So I'm just putting the finishing touches to my background shadow here. Now you might have noticed that I've been doing a little bit of smudging. Be careful when you smudge. You don't want to smudge all the tones into one just uniform grey. But notice how I've made some areas of the background paper quite dark in comparison to these lighter bits. I finished ribbon drawing, and if you want to share your work with me, remember to put your work on your art portfolio, which is in the Google Classroom, and then click comment so that I know you've done it. So good luck with this activity and keep drawing.